For many riders, a motorcycle is the dream. But after years of riding, many discover that a great scooter can do almost everything a motorcycle can, while being more comfortable, more practical, and much easier to live with every day. The scooters on this list offer serious highway performance, premium comfort, generous storage, and enough capability to replace a motorcycle for many riders. Starting with number 10. Starting at number 10, Honda ADV 350. The ADV 350 is perfect for riders who want adventure bike styling without the complexity of a traditional motorcycle. Its upright riding position, long travel suspension, and smooth engine make it comfortable for commuting, weekend rides, and even highway travel. It's easy to ride, practical every day, and capable enough that many owners never feel the need for a motorcycle. The ADV 350 is currently sold across Europe and many Asian markets, with prices starting at around $6,700. At number 9, Piaggio Beverly 400. The Beverly 400 combines the agility of a scooter with the confidence of a motorcycle. Its large wheels provide excellent stability at higher speeds while maintaining easy handling around town. Whether you're commuting, touring, or riding on the highway, the Beverly delivers a balanced riding experience that surprises many first-time owners. It's currently available across Europe and selected international markets, with prices starting at approximately $7,500. At number 8, Yamaha X-Max 300. The X-Max 300 is one of the world's most complete scooters. It offers excellent comfort, generous under-seat storage, smooth highway performance, and Yamaha's legendary reliability. For riders coming from smaller motorcycles, the X-Max feels like a natural upgrade that requires very little compromise. It's sold worldwide, including Europe, North America, Australia, Japan, and many Asian markets, with prices starting at around $6,499. At number 7, Suzuki Burgman 400. The Burgman 400 has earned its reputation as one of the best touring scooters ever built. Its comfortable seating position, excellent wind protection, spacious storage, and smooth engine make long-distance riding effortless. Many riders who once owned middleweight motorcycles eventually switched to the Burgman because of its everyday practicality. It's still available in Europe, Japan, Australia, and selected global markets, with prices starting at approximately $8,700. At number 6, BMW C650 GT. BMW built the C650 GT with one goal in mind: long-distance comfort. Its powerful twin-cylinder engine, premium suspension, excellent wind protection, and luxurious seating make it feel like a true touring motorcycle with the convenience of a scooter. For riders who regularly travel long distances, the C650 GT is a serious motorcycle replacement. Although discontinued, it's still widely available on the used market throughout Europe and North America. The next 5 scooters don't just compete with motorcycles. For many riders, they completely replace them. At number 5, Kymco AK550 Premium. The AK550 Premium combines aggressive styling with genuine sport touring performance. Its powerful twin-cylinder engine, premium suspension, and motorcycle-inspired chassis make it incredibly fun to ride while remaining comfortable enough for everyday commuting. It offers performance that many motorcycle riders simply don't expect from a scooter. The AK550 Premium continues to be sold in Europe, Taiwan, and many international markets, with prices starting at around $10,500. At number 4, Suzuki Burgman 650 Executive. If comfort is your priority, Very few motorcycles can match what the Burgman 650 Executive offers. Its smooth 638 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine, electronically controlled CVT, electric windscreen, huge storage compartment, and incredibly comfortable seat make every journey relaxing. Whether you're commuting every day or riding hundreds of highway miles, the Burgman delivers luxury few scooters or motorcycles can match. Although discontinued, it's still one of the most sought-after maxi scooters on the used market worldwide. At number 3, Honda Forza 750. The Forza 750 is one of the most refined maxi scooters Honda has ever built. Its powerful twin-cylinder engine, smooth dual-clutch transmission, premium comfort, and outstanding highway performance make it a genuine alternative to a touring motorcycle. It feels equally at home in city traffic and on long-distance adventures. The Forza 750 is currently available throughout Europe and several Asian markets, with prices starting at around $12,000. At number 2, Honda X-ADV 750. The X-ADV is unlike anything else on the market. It combines the comfort and convenience of a scooter with the capability of an adventure motorcycle. Its upright riding position, long travel suspension, powerful engine, and DCT transmission allow it to handle highways, mountain roads, and light off-road trails with ease. For many adventure riders, it's all the motorcycle they'll ever need. The X-ADV continues to be sold across Europe, Japan, and several Asian markets, with prices starting at approximately $13,000. And finally, number 1. Yamaha T-Max 560. For more than 2 decades, the T-Max has been the benchmark for premium performance scooters. Its motorcycle-inspired chassis, powerful twin-cylinder engine, exceptional handling, premium suspension, and impressive highway capability make it feel remarkably close to a sport touring motorcycle. At the same time, it offers automatic convenience, generous storage, lower maintenance, and everyday practicality that many motorcycles simply can't match. It's the scooter that has convinced thousands of motorcycle riders around the world to make the switch. The Yamaha T-Max 560 remains available across Europe, Japan, Australia, and many global markets, with prices starting at around $14,500. Those were the top 10 scooters that can replace a motorcycle in 2026. Whether you value comfort, performance, practicality, or long-distance touring, these scooters prove you don't always need a traditional motorcycle to enjoy the ride. Which one would you choose to replace your motorcycle? Let us know in the comments below.